If you're currently using the Microsoft Word, you can disable the spell check feature if you would like. And you can do that by following these steps in this video tutorial. But first, you have to launch your Microsoft Word on your device, and then open any document or the document you're currently working on. Then, select the File tab in the top left corner, and choose Options from the left categories. Now on the Options window, switch to the Proofing tab in the left corner, then uncheck the Check Spelling as you type box in order to disable the spell checking feature, and then select OK once done. And with that, the spell check feature is now turned off in the Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.